how to export some generalized maps in ArcGIS using ArcMap. So you can install any version of ArcGIS starting from 10.1 to the updated version. I am using 10.8. So it depends on the version and the crack of that what is available with you. So but it's better to have you or to use 10.1 version. It's very good. So generally this ArcMap, this platform that you are seeing, this is basically used for exporting maps with proper coordinates, with a proper legend, with a proper title, with proper coordinate system, with proper scale bar, and with a proper north arrow. So everything that can be possible to be shown or visualized in a map can be done here in ArcGIS. Mostly this ArcGIS is or this ArcMap or this GIS, these maps are mainly something called the replacement of Excel files. Previously, what we are doing to analyze any data, we used to use the Excel files. We used to go through lots of rows, columns in these Excel files, and it was so difficult to exactly know what is the scenario. Well, like if I want to know how many mm, mm, buildings are there in my city, how many trees are there in my city, how many water bodies are there in my city. So these data are available in the municipalities, or you take development authorities by their physical visit or physical count or by their registration number. So these are available in Excel format. But nowadays, ArcGIS has helped to convert these Excels into maps so that people can clearly visualize those maps, and they can have an idea like some future predictions, or they can have use it for trend analysis, or they can use it for any monitoring purpose, means like flood management, any kind of disaster management. So looking into the number of buildings in that area, we can use it for our disaster management. So like this, so today we'll be dealing with making a simple map of a administrative with the administrative boundary, with proper coordinate system, with proper grids, with proper then I'll also be showing how to show a base map, how to showcase a base map, like either a terrain map or a satellite map or a coastal map or a transportation map, overlaying the shape file. So for that, so to begin with, you need the administrative boundaries of your respective country. Like I'll be showing you from where you can download. So you can go to, there is a website called Diva GIS. There is a website called Diva GIS. So here you have Diva GIS is a free computer program for mapping and geographic data analysis. With Diva GIS, you can make maps of the world or a very small area using, for example, state boundary, river, satellite image, locations of sites where an animal species was observed. So human being is a social animal. Okay. So then you have to go to free spatial data. Then you go to, so you have country level data, global level, global climate data, species occurrence data, crop collection data. Then you can go, for our purpose, we have to go to country level data. So here we have to choose our, you can choose your country. I'll be choosing India. Then there are so many options. Yeah, if I want administrative area or inland water, roads, railroads, elevation, land cover, population, gazetted. So looking into your requirement, you can download the boundary. So save file. There are two types of file in ArcGIS mostly that we use. That is save file and raster file. So save file means something which is in a shape of a polygon, and raster files are some files which are having those image files. Those image files are called raster files, means they'll be having some resolution, spatial spectral resolution. So those files are called raster files. In a layman terms, any boundary related thing is a shape file, and anything imagery is called a raster file. So we will be needing the administrative area. Then you will do okay, download. Then you can download it easily. So you will be provided with a zip file. Let me show you. I have already downloaded that zip file. So here basically we'll be seeing it in ArcGIS. So for that we need to have another important thing that you need to do in ArcGIS. If you want to copy any file, if you want to delete any file, if you want to add any file related to ArcMap, so never ever do it from your folder. Never ever do it from your D drive or your C drive or E drive. Never, because in on the background there are so many temporary files that are connected to that file that you might have copied it from D drive to your pen drive, but when you go and open it somewhere else in someone else's laptop or desktop, it won't open. There are very 99% possible chances it won't open. So for that, the first and foremost thing that you need to do, you need to connect to a folder. So here I'll be connecting to a folder. This PC, then D drive. I have only one drive, D drive. So I have already connected to that folder. So immediately once you connect to that folder, immediately refresh it, because previously something might be stuck. So better to refresh it. So anything if you want to add, like here there are so many options. You can add a folder, you can add a file geo database, you can add a Python toolbox, you can directly add a save file. You no need of going there and right clicking, then putting your .shp. Directly you can add a save file. You can add it on feature class, toolbox, last data set, deep database table. So all these facilities are available for adding any new component. So here we are not going to add anything. Then what we'll do, we will be India admin. So you are having around four sections: India admin 0, India admin 1, India admin 2, India admin 3. So India admin 0 will show you the entire administrative boundary of the entire country, the administrative boundary of the entire country. Then next thing what you have to do, you have to make it hollow. You need to make it hollow, and you can change the color of the boundary. Then we can put India admin 1. Then this will show the states. This will show the boundary of states. Then again we'll hollow it and we'll change the color. So see, you can see this is the red color shows the administrative boundary of the country, and the green color shows the administrative boundary of the states. So for your confusion, if you want to know that this is administrative boundary of which state, then for that there is an option called identify. Then you can click on it. Then you will see it is the country name is India and the state name is Rajasthan. Then if you click it here, it will show you country name is India. Then name one is Arunachal Pradesh. Then we'll be inserting India admin 2. So India admin 2 is basically the name of the important districts. The name of important districts. Then again we'll make it hollow. Let it be in black color. Okay. So you see, so within the states you will have major districts. So states we can identify it very easily, but now within the states, if you want to know the districts, name of the district, what to do. So for that, you have to again use that same thing, identity, click on any polygon or any shape, then you will find it belongs to India, state Chhattisgarh, and the name of the district is Surguja. Then here like this in Odisha, if you see India, Odisha, Ganjam. Now again, if you want village level data or taluka level data, then for that you have to add India admin 3. India admin 3. India admin 3. So it is name state Odisha, district Devgarh, and village Devgarh. Then again, if you click here, Kandhamal district, Gumsur village or taluka. Then Gajapati district, then Parlakmundi. Then if you click it here, Odisha, Puri district and Puri taluka. Then if you click here, Raigada, then the name of the say file is, or the name of the place is Gunpur. Means within the Raigada district, Gunpur. So like this, India admin 0, India admin 1, India admin 0 is the administrative area of the entire country, 1 is the administrative area of the state, and 2 is the administrative area of the districts. Then India admin 3 is the administrative area of village or talukas. Now, it will be difficult for you to go on clicking on this identify and looking on for finding out your specific location. So for that, what you need to do, if you want a, like we'll be working on the on a district, so for that, and I know India admin 2 provides the name of the districts, so I'll right click on the file, go to open attribute table. So here are the list of the districts that are available within India. So again also you can scroll down and search your I want the Ahmedabad. So if you click like this, select Ahmedabad, so it will be selected here. Okay, so this is also a formula for selecting your specified district. If you select Arunachal Pradesh, it will be, if you see Arunachal Pradesh, it has been selected. So another method is there, which is a very easy and identifiable method rather than scrolling down and looking, peeking into the name of the districts. So another formula is there, that is select by attributes, that is select by attributes. For that, though we know, you see name 2 is the name of the districts, name 2 is the name of the districts, name 0 is country, name 1 is state, name 2 is the name of the districts. So here what we'll do, we will double click on name 2, it will be appearing like this, then equal to, then we'll be selecting get unique values. So once you select click on get unique values, you will get the name of the all the districts that are available in this list. So we'll be searching for Sambalpur. Like I will be working on Sambalpur district. So for that, again, what is the next step? Name 2 is equal to Sambalpur. So this is just a means automated method for getting your shape file of your district. Then apply. Then close. No need of seeing whether what has been selected. It will be correctly selected. So now the district of Sambalpur has been selected. Now the district of Sambalpur has been selected within the state. Okay, within the state, now I have selected the district Sambalpur. So for confirmation, you can go to identity, India, Odisha, Sambalpur. Okay. So again, now you need to export it now, because see, you don't want to work on the entire country administrative area. Now you want to export it from this uh, file, like all these shape files are connected. So but I am not going to work on the entire Indian shape files, it will be very confusing and my maps won't be good. So for that I need to export only this part or only this district of Sambalpur for my work. So for that, what you have to do, you have to right click on the same file, India admin 2, then you go to selection, then you go to create layer from selected features. Again I am showing, go to selection, then go to create layer from selected features. Once you select, it will show here. If you close all the files, now you see only within the within India, only the district Sambalpur has been cut down or cut down from the entire group of files. Now I can remove all these files. So now I'll be working, make it hollow, I'll make it dark. So this is my shape file. This is my shape file. So first of all, you have to put the India admin. Mostly will be needing India admin 2 or India admin 3. India admin 0 and 1 are not that much required. That may be required for visualization purpose, but most of the work are done in the district level or taluka level. So now you have got the shape file of the Sambalpur district. Now I have to export this this. So generally, what we do, we can take a screenshot and we can showcase that this is my go to paint. Then this is my Sambalpur district. We can give a title. But in ArcGIS there are so many facilities and the quality of because once you take screenshot the quality of image will be bad. Okay, so for that you can go to layout view. So here you have got the layout view of the arc map. So here I can zoom out my map, zoom out my save file for better clarity. So I think this is enough. So the first thing that I need to add is a north arrow. So generally we use this Esri North 7. So once you click, it will be available. Then drag it like this. So this shows the south, north, east, west position of the district. Then we'll add a title. So what we'll add as a shape file of Sambalpur district, Odisha. Shape file of Sambalpur district, Odisha. Now we need to change the font. If you want to change the font or you want to change the color, make it Times New Roman, give it a color, then underline. Okay, apply. Okay. So this is how the font, the color. If you want to have an underline, it can be just double click. Just double click on this text. Go to change symbol. Then here you can do all the changes. The next thing what we are going to add, is a scale bar. So generally we use this alternating scale bar too. Then we can generally we show our scale bars in kilometer. Okay, so this is shown in miles, so we'll convert it into kilometers. Apply. Okay, so it is now showing in kilometers. Then we'll add legend. So for that, so though we have removed, if you see, I will add it again, catalog. So here we can add again India admin 0, sorry, not this one, India admin 1. Okay, so I don't want to highlight, so just I have added. So here if you go to insert legend, you see everything is showing. Everything is showing on this map layer list, but we want only this legend of my respective study area. So for that you just select, right click, next. So here you can change the color. You can change the font. Okay, next, finish. So now if you see, the legend has been added. Now the legend has been added. But here if you see, it is showing India admin to some selection. But here if you need to be specific what this exact boundary means. So for that, just click on the content or the layer here. Just click it again. Just once you click, double click on it. Don't you use right click. The single click, click it 2 times. Then you will be having the option to rename the layer. So we'll rename save file, district save file. Then just click, see, the name has been changed here. District save file. So this black color represents district save file. Then the last thing that you are going to add, the last thing that we'll be adding is grids. There is the grids. Right click, go to properties, then go to grids, then go to new grid, then let it be as it is. Next, 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 finish, apply, okay. So once you do all these things in default, next, finish, apply, then you will be shown the grids like this. The lines will be there. If you zoom it, you can see some coordinates are also there. But we don't want such a file. We don't want such a file. We don't want such a file. So for that, what we'll do now, we will right click again, go to properties, then first of all we have to remove the lines. Do not see lines and tricks. Okay, apply. So now the lines have been removed. Immediately remove the lines, then go to properties, then go to labels, then we can change the font. We can change the font, we can change the size of our, we can change the color, we can also change the color of our labels or our grids. Then another important thing that needs to be done, like if you see on the right and left hand side, the grids or the coordinates are shown like this, so that can be changed to left right, means these vertical labels or the left right coordinates can be shown in vertical labels. Then do it, apply, okay, then go to apply. Now if you see, they have been changed, if you zoom it, you can see the numbers have been changed. The numbers have been changed, but those numbers are not that clearly visible. So for our grid numbers to be clearly visible, what we'll do, we will have some more intervals. Like here it is 110, so we can have here more intervals. Here we can have 10 seconds, 10-second interval gap. Apply, okay, apply. Then if you see, so this is trial and error. This is something called, you can do it trial and error. Okay, so if you want 20, 20, here you can make it 0, here you can make it 0, apply, okay, apply. You can get more number of coordinates. Okay, so this is just trial and error. Then I will just make it bold. You can increase the size for better clarity. Huh. So now it is clearly visible. So this is how a arc map looks like, with proper title, with proper legend, with the proper scale bar, with proper coordinates, and with proper north arrow. North arrow. Okay, you can do some fillings also if you want. Like we can give some color. You can give some color, no problem. But better to make it, keep it hollow. Better to keep it hollow, better to keep it hollow. Now the next thing, how we need to export. How to do we need to do it to export it properly, so that the quality of the picture or the map does not get degraded. For that, go to file, go to export map, then go to save it anywhere you like. Okay, save it anywhere you like. In desktop also we can save. So I'll just give the name of my file, Sambalpur, Sambalpur. So here the resolution, you can give a resolution from 600 to 1000. You can give more resolution also, no problem. But keep it within 500 to 1000. Otherwise, unnecessary. Don't make the file so much big. Then wherever you will be inputting it or you will be using it, it will be a troublesome. Okay, so better to be keep it the DPI within 500 to 1000. Then go to save. Then if you see, the file is getting exported. Now we need to check out what is the quality of our file. Go to desktop, if you see the quality of the file, see the quality of the file, see the quality of the file. There is not a single blur. Even if it was not clearly visible here, you can see the quality of the file. You can see the quality of the file. So this is how we export our maps in ArcGIS. So this is the first thing that one should know, and how to export a shape file. Then we can use in the next we can use. I will show you how to use the base maps, how to use the satellite images, and how to export with proper legend. So this is the first thing that one should know, and one should try in exporting his or her region. Like if you are staying in Bihar, if you are staying in Uttar Pradesh, in a district or in a village, please find it out and make a good shape file. No, identify your shape file and make a good map and keep it in your system or show it to someone. This is how our village looks like. This is how our city looks like. Okay. So in the next video, we'll be seeing the adding how to add the base map. How to add the base map.